Hi, my name is Kelly Locey and I'm the Communications Coordinator for the Benton County Health Department. Yesterday, Benton County announced our 5th COVID-19 fatality. This person was a male in their 60s who had underlying health conditions. We offer our deepest condolences to this person's family, friends, and loved ones. Additionally, Benton County announced one new case of COVID-19. This person is a male in their 60s who is not hospitalized. Today, April 21st, we are happy to report that we have no new cases of COVID-19 in Benton County. Today, our guest is Jimbo Ivey, the theater supervisor for Corvallis Parks and Rec, and he's going to talk about updates to programming.
Hello, my name is Jimbo Ivey, and I'm the theater supervisor for the City of Corvallis Parks and Recreation Department. First of all, we miss y'all. As Parks and Recreation professionals, we love working in recreation facilities buzzing with activity and parks packed with community members enjoying our natural splendor. However, the recreation facilities, playgrounds, sports fields, and community rooms where Benton County loves to spend their time are closed until further notice. As much as we miss all of you, we are committed to stopping the spread of COVID-19 so that we can eventually welcome you back to all of the activities and programs that you love. But for now, our team is committed to keeping you connected and active during this crisis in whatever ways we can. I'd like to take a few minutes and share with you what we're doing to keep the Corvallis Parks and Recreation spirit alive in the time of COVID-19. But you don't have to take notes. We have launched a website to make it easy for you to know what we're up to. Everything I'm about to talk about can be found on our new Stay Well Corvallis page on the Corvallis Parks and Recreation website. Our recreation division at Avery Park is helping you stay active while staying home with a nature and outdoor-based backyard activity guide that people of all ages can do right at home. Each week, the activity guide will have a different theme like All About Trees or Go Wild, and our friends over at the Corvallis Benton County Public Library will curate a book list that supports the theme. Each week, a different Parks and Recreation instructor will be featured and share their tips for staying well at home. We'll also have a social media challenge, asking our community to share a snap of themselves staying active by, for example, showing off their favorite yoga pose in front of your favorite neighborhood or backyard tree. Over at our Parks Division, while many City of Corvallis parks, natural areas, and trails remain open, there are closures in effect for some specific features. Thank you to our community for respecting the closures, which include our playgrounds, restrooms, skate park, BMX track area, tennis, volleyball, basketball, and pickleball courts, sports fields for team play, and the popular Marys River access point at Avery Park. We would like to remind parks users to maintain physical distancing guidelines while enjoying the open areas of the park system. This helps enable our community to be safe and enables the city to keep those recreation areas open to you. For the first time ever, Corvallis Urban Forestry is sharing access to our online tree inventory with the Corvallis community. Residents can access the inventory to learn more about the trees in their neighborhood, which is great because this year we added a record number of trees to the urban forestry family, 188 trees. Volunteer activities through the park system and neighborhood tree steward program will resume this summer with unique roles such as being a summer tree inspector who can inspect trees at your own time and pace. Our Corvallis Community Center may be closed for renovations until its reopening in June, but our staff are hard at work keeping our community active during this crisis. One program that they are offering is free remote yoga classes via Zoom. You can register online for these 30-minute remote classes and join Yogi Crystal Condon for a beginner yoga class in your own home Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 a.m. via Zoom. They will also be sharing health tips and workouts on our Stay Well Corvallis page so that you can self-care at home to stay vibrant and healthy. Meanwhile, our renovations at the center continue, and the new Corvallis Community Center, or C3 as we like to call it, will reopen with upgrades, new rooms, and more parking in June. Osborne Aquatic Center is one of the health and fitness hearts of our community, and we know you miss being able to do your morning laps and take part in the amazing variety of wellness programs that are hosted there. Aside from being able to catch up on maintenance activities, the OAC staff is committed to staying connected with you and have developed daily themes for content that will be featured on all of Osborne Aquatic Center's social media platforms throughout the week. On Mystery Monday, there will be different games or activities for you and your family to check out. With Technical Tuesdays, pool operator Joe Andrews will share some of the behind-the-scenes facts and features on how Osborne works. Water Wednesdays will brighten your week with songs from our Water Babies and Water Kids classes so families can sing along at home. On Thankful Thursdays, we will provide a platform where our staff, guests, and community can share some of the positive things happening in their lives and identify what they're thankful for. Providing links to exercises or writing workouts for our community to do at home. Over at the Majestic Theater, we have been reeling from having to cancel dozens of performances that our community had worked on for months and in some cases years. But we're keeping the arts and culture spirit alive with a variety of online activities that our community can engage that we're calling Majestic Quarantainment. During the week, each day has a different social post theme, from reviewing past Majestic shows to sharing links to world-class performances that are streaming that week. Also, many of our programs are working on videos to share their voices, talents, and hearts with you during this difficult time as a way to let you know that once the crisis passes, they will be back. We've also created Majestic Peace Theater, a weekly live performance of a public domain or locally written show or compilation. Each week until the crisis passes, we will audition, rehearse, and produce a performance without actors or crew ever being in the same room. These performances will take place live on Saturday evenings at 7:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time on our Facebook as a live stream. If you miss the live stream, the performances will remain on our Facebook as videos that you can watch at your leisure. You might even see a certain theater supervisor as a pirate. But as usual, none of this works without you. If you'd like to direct or act in one of these weekly shows, check out our website or social media for more information. Thanks so much for all of your support for Corvallis Parks and Recreation during this crisis, and we hope to see you online. You can get details on anything I just talked about by heading to our Corvallis Parks and Recreation website and clicking on Stay Well Corvallis.